The relationship between humanity and technology has always been complex. We invent, we adapt, and we evolve. Today, we stand on the precipice of a new era, one where artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic fantasy, but a powerful tool shaping the very fabric of our creative endeavors. Imagine a world where algorithms compose symphonies, paint masterpieces, and write novels. This is not science fiction, but the potential reality ushered in by the rise of generative AI. AI is changing the way we create, consume, and interact with art, music, literature, and more. From generating realistic images to composing captivating melodies, AI tools are blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. This fusion of technology and imagination is not without its challenges, however. As we navigate this uncharted territory, it is crucial to ponder the implications of AI's growing influence on our creative processes. The dawn of AI in creative fields is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it offers unprecedented opportunities for innovation and expression, empowering artists, writers, and musicians with a new arsenal of creative tools. On the other hand, it raises complex ethical questions about authorship, authenticity, and the very essence of human creativity. As we delve deeper into the world of AI-powered creativity, we must tread carefully, ensuring that these powerful tools amplify, not diminish, the unique spark of human imagination. The future of creativity hinges on our ability to harness the power of AI while preserving the essence of what makes us human. Our capacity for originality, emotion, and the relentless pursuit of meaning in a world increasingly shaped by algorithms. The seeds of generative AI were sown decades ago with the groundbreaking work of Alan Turing, a visionary mathematician who dared to ask if machines could think. Turing's seminal 1950 paper, Computing Machinery and Intelligence, proposed the now famous Turing test, a benchmark for machine intelligence that continues to spark debate today. Early attempts at generative AI, like the Eliza chatbot in the 1960s, relied on rule-based systems, mimicking human conversation through pre-programmed responses. These early forays, while rudimentary, hinted at the potential of machines to engage in creative endeavors. The advent of machine learning in the latter half of the 20th century marked a turning point. Algorithms could now learn from data, identifying patterns and making predictions. This paved the way for neural networks, complex structures inspired by the human brain, capable of processing information in a fundamentally different way. The emergence of deep learning in the 21st century, fueled by access to massive datasets and unprecedented computing power, revolutionized the field of AI. Deep neural networks, with their ability to learn intricate patterns from vast amounts of data, unlocked new possibilities for generative AI. In 2014, Ian Goodfellow and his colleagues introduced Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs, a groundbreaking architecture that pitted two neural networks against each other in a creative duel. This adversarial training process propelled generative AI to new heights, enabling the creation of stunningly realistic images, videos, and even text. The development of transformer models, like the now famous GPT-3, marked another significant leap forward. These models, trained on colossal text datasets, possess an uncanny ability to generate human-quality text, from poems and code to scripts and articles. The evolution of generative AI from Turing's early musings to the sophisticated algorithms we see today is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Art, in its myriad forms, has always been a reflection of the human experience. It is a mirror to our souls, a canvas upon which we project our emotions, beliefs, and aspirations. But what happens when the artist's brush is guided by algorithms, when the muse takes the form of artificial intelligence? AI in art is blurring the lines between human and machine creativity, challenging our notions of what it means to be an artist. AI-powered tools are empowering artists with new avenues for exploration and expression. Imagine a sculptor using AI to generate intricate three-dimensional models, a painter collaborating with an algorithm to create otherworldly landscapes, or a musician composing symphonies with an AI composer. These are glimpses into a future where AI augments human creativity, pushing the boundaries of artistic possibility. AI is not merely a tool for creation, it is also becoming a medium in its own right. Artists are exploring the unique aesthetics offered by algorithms, creating art that challenges our notions of beauty, form, and meaning. However, the rise of AI in art raises profound questions about the nature of creativity itself. Can an algorithm truly be creative? Or is it merely mimicking the patterns it has learned from human-created data? The debate over AI art is complex, prompting us to reconsider the essence of human expression. The future of art is likely to be a tapestry woven from both human and artificial creativity. As AI tools become more sophisticated, we can expect new art forms, styles, and expressions. The challenge will be to approach AI-generated art with an open mind, embracing possibilities while engaging critically with the ethical and philosophical questions it raises. AI voice generators are transforming the way we produce and consume audio content. From audiobooks and podcasts to virtual assistants and customer service, these tools are becoming increasingly prevalent in our daily lives.
The advancements in AI voice technology are remarkable. We now have AI systems that can mimic human speech with stunning accuracy, capturing nuances in tone, pitch, and even emotion. This opens up a world of possibilities for content creators.
But, as with any powerful tool, there are ethical considerations to keep in mind. The ability to generate realistic human voices raises questions about consent, authenticity, and the potential for misuse.
Exactly. It's crucial that we establish guidelines and regulations to ensure that AI voice technology is used responsibly. We need to protect individuals' identities and prevent the spread of misinformation.
As we continue to explore the capabilities of AI voice generators, it's important to balance innovation with ethical responsibility. By doing so, we can harness the benefits of this technology while safeguarding the values that define our humanity.
AI writing assistants have revolutionized the way we approach content creation. They help writers brainstorm ideas, draft articles, and even edit text to improve clarity and coherence.
But, while these tools are incredibly useful, they also raise some important questions. How do we ensure the authenticity and originality of the content produced?
That's a great point. Writers now need to strike a balance between leveraging AI tools and maintaining their unique voice and perspective. It's a new frontier in the world of writing.
Absolutely. The future of content creation is, well, evolving rapidly, and AI writing assistants are at the forefront of this transformation.
We need to consider the ethical implications of AI in creative fields. What happens when machines start to generate art, music, or even literature?
Indeed, the ethical landscape is complex. Can AI truly understand the human experience, or is it merely mimicking patterns it has learned?
I don't believe robots will replace creative professionals. Instead, they will enhance our capabilities, allowing us to focus on more strategic and innovative tasks.
The fear of being replaced by machines is real, but perhaps the future lies in collaboration rather than competition.
The key is to find a balance between human ingenuity and AI assistance. AI can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up humans to do what they do best, create and innovate.
Striking this balance could lead to unprecedented levels of creativity and productivity. It's about leveraging technology to amplify human potential. As we move forward, embracing the potential of AI in creativity could open doors to new possibilities. The fusion of human talent and machine efficiency might just be the next big leap in our creative evolution.